welcome back on the VST channel. Guys, I'm shooting this video entirely on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. I have a mission today. I'm going to take photos in a park. You can just see, this park if you've been watching my channel. But I'm trying to use the zoom cameras, meaning 3.x, 5x the optical zoom, going to 120 millimeters, guys. The idea is just to see how good this camera is, but using only zoom, alright? Because zoom, specifically Xiaomi 13 Ultra, has a lot of advantages in having 5x optical zoom. So wish me luck and check these samples. And if you like content like this, don't forget to see all the other videos I did. Thank you so much. So by far you already seen that this is mainly targeted at people photography, right? So the 5x guys and the 10x zoom is very suitable if you want to shoot close-ups, portraits, but not only portraits, also full body shots of people. And in this video what I try to prove a point is, like, can we use camera like a Xiaomi 13 Ultra to just get this footage? The 2x zoom, that is a crop from the main sensor, guys, will get you 46 millimeters focal length, which is actually quite a sweet spot. 2x to the 3.2x and 5x, guys, we are getting this nice range between 46 millimeters to 120 millimeters, guys. The idea of this video is to focus on the people's photography, guys, trying to capture how genuine and authentic the people are when in shots. Most of the camera reviews shot out there, and also the one that are written, guys, they just focus too much on the technical elements. Is the sky exposed nice, highlights, shadows, what is happening with the HDR, with the processing, and they just try to disconnect themselves from the very important thing of the photography, which is just capturing the right image in the right time, right? So it's just a play between light and shadows most of the time, and this is why I wanted to do this video. Just try to see if you can use the Xiaomi 13 Ultra as a really authentic shooter in your daily use, right? If you are somebody like me, like I'm a hobby photographer, but why not if you are somebody shooting weddings and maybe using the Xiaomi 13 Ultra as a backup device? Because sometimes something can happen with the first body, or just can break, so you need of course to keep your engagement, like you're probably shooting a wedding. Now, can you use a mobile device as a backup? Why not? Of course, it's in your pocket, so you can always just have it there in your pocket. And this is the intention of this video, so don't focus too much on things like HDR and highlights and shadows and colors and texture and noise, and try to understand for yourself, like, okay, if I have the shooter in my pocket, can I do 5x and 10x nice photos or not? That's it. Let's keep watching. So as you can see, the idea of this video is just to try to capture the emotion when people are passing by, also people on bikes. There is this certain emotion that I'm looking for in this type of shots, and again, I don't really claim these shots are nice whatsoever. I try my best, of course, but the idea is to combine this search for emotion with the confirmation or non-confirmation of the fact that this camera can be used to do shots like this. And this is really getting outside of the comfort zone when using 1x or even the ultra wide, so it's just straight zoom shots.